So this is my website. For suppose if I'm changing for title description, particular this website. First of all, before changing for title description, this is a static website, dynamic website. You see this one is a fixed menu option will be there on this website. No submenus, no other pages. So this is called static website. So static website, when you're changing for title and description, the option call is cPanel. The option call is cPanel. Any content changing only available by cPanel. Don't using by FTP. File transfer protocol when you use, your website will be hacked. Fraction of second, your website going to hack. So that is called, first of all, log in your cPanel. The cPanel will be login mydomain.com/cpanel. That is the syntax. Here, fourseasonsim.com is my website. .com/ is the cPanel. So after click for login, if you add any other places, so in my home page, I'm writing for title will be before. In this title, I'm writing for Vanasthalapuram, Dilshanagar, LB Nagar, and Chaitanyapuri, and Kottapeta, and Hayatnagar. I'm writing for previous like this. In this, I'm changing for few options. The replace of Vanasthalapuram, I'm changing for another place. That is called, option call is cPanel login into file manager. The option call is public_HTML. Any content changing only for three options: login, file manager, public_HTML. Select your application. So your home page nothing but your index page. Home page is called always index page. Other page is called profile, services, facilities, gallery, and contact. Now coming to here, go to index page, edit. Now, what is that? Swimming pools in Hyderabad. Here, pool will be pools. Here, once upon I can call for bids. I change for 40. 5. So I change this all options. So I'm writing for Abis and 40 will be writing for Dilshanagar. Save change. Now coming to this site. Previous will be like this. I can refresh. See this one. Swimming pools in Hyderabad. Indoor swimming pool in Abis, Koti, and Dilshanagar. I'm changing for all places. Remain all places will be there by your description part. This is a very, very important for your things. So if you add any kind of places nearby Abits, so you're writing for in this description. RTC Crash Road. Save it. Save it. Location. So here I'm updating for this title and this description. So your title always less than 60 have maintained the properly. And once is update your save changes. Now go to your website, refresh and control U. Check by your cPanel based on your in this option. So this will be totally finished on your option. In this one, if anything missing, so here, if I'm writing in this option call is so copy. Your title will be more than 60. Will writing the temperature control. What are you writing? Will providing for temperature control swimming pool with classes and training with along with the trainer. So classes training along with the trainer. located in RTC Cross Road, Lagadigappala and Hyderabad, Malakpet, Vanasalipuram, nearby areas. So this is called update on your title description using cPanel. Any static website without cPanel, we can't update your title and description. So what are the title you're using for on your keyword option also? So this static website I'm changing was option call is cPanel. So what are the pages you can change? See, go for contact HTML and you can change by facility page, gallery and profile page also. So based on your requirement, change your title and description on particular website using for cPanel access.